We are at the final stages of this commercial office renovation. Still gotta do a few little small details as well as cleaning. Forgot about that. Got our hidden door here, lighting here. This has to be replaced, so we didn't do it now, but this will get lighting. We built this custom frame with recessed lighting. Can't even see the LEDs, just the actual light. Moving here, accent wall 1, featuring a custom door we built for the network room. Just cut out the panels and put some metal grid in. And then we got this 24-foot behemoth of an accent wall with lighting at the bottom and top. Again, you cannot see the light strips unless you really try to. Just the glow. Accent wall 2, our little cafe niche. Got a little mini fridge going here. Went with smooth panel trophy lights throughout. Got accent wall 3. Client is a photography office. They're going to be inlaying photos in each of these frames that we built. We got a 1/2-inch thick rigid core LVP product we put. This floor here used roughly 35 bags of self-level, just from what you've seen so far in this video. Unbelievable. And then we're going to be custom cutting an existing countertop, I believe melamine, to go on the inside of that curved wall. And then moving forward to the bathroom, we built 2 cabinet kits and cut one in half in order to make this work for 45 inches. So we took 2 upper fridge cabinets, cut one down, and installed using a French cleat on the back and panel ready this side. And this is our floating vanity from locally available materials. We took a enlarged mirror and custom cut this in a wave in order to match the 24-foot accent wall out there. Here we're going to be getting stone countertops as well as a 15-inch backsplash that's going to clear right under this through this extent. That's a good look. Then we used an extra box of acoustic panels we had on this as an accent in front of the toilet, and then we ripped out one of the top pieces just to cap it off. And that's the bathroom. Moving forward, we're moving into the studio now, which previously had a drop ceiling. That was removed, wires were reran, low voltage was reran, everything was drop ceiling. So we sprayed all this down with Skyfall from Sherwin-Williams, terminated a duct that was unnecessary, put that here and shortened the throws of all the other ducts. This is actually a roll of sheet vinyl. It's the back side of our hidden door. This area here is where photos are actually going to be taken. What we built here is a partial, what's called cyclorama wall, and this will get matte white covering throughout, and that will eliminate shadows in the corners, which professional photography wise makes a big difference in either cleanup time or overall quality of photos. And here got accent wall number 4, just with some different paint colors. So we're going to be dividing this. This is going to be dressing rooms, and we have a full frame mirror going on now. I finished these doors up yesterday. Only $300 for this kit. Reasonable. Did have to put a piece of PVC as a header. $40 for one piece of 1-inch PVC. But yeah, we got these doors. Still got to put our catches at the bottom. But not bad doors for $300. And this will be the viewing room post photography shoot where clients look at their photos. And yeah, we did all this in just a little over 2 months. Me, my guy here, and other than that, just an electrician and his guys. So, get her done.